One reason I picked up the Fivona Sitz Bath is because it's simple, compact, and really versatile. What I like most is it's not just for one purpose. You can use it for warm sitz baths, yoni steaming, or even as a portable bidet for everyday hygiene. So you're getting multiple uses out of one product. It fits most standard seats, and the ergonomic design is extremely comfortable. And let's not forget to mention that it's made from durable, BPA-free, temper-resistant materials. I gotta say, it's really well made. One of my favorite features is that it folds completely flat. My bathroom doesn't have a lot of storage space, so being able to tuck it away when I'm done is a huge plus. If you're looking for an easy way to create a practical self-care routine at home without taking up space or having to dish out extra money, I think that this is a really practical option. It's simple, easy to use, easy to clean, and convenient to keep on hand whenever you need it.